Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the E10 error on Electrolux TimeCare 500. And first we'll need to understand what this error means, and it means that your washing machine isn't filling up with the water properly. And to fix this, first of all, if you're not sure what you're doing, I recommend to call the technician. If not, and you can actually try and then see if the water tap is properly opened. You can also check the pressure of the water, if it actually can reach your washing machine. Then make sure that the cable connected water cable connected to your washing machine doesn't have any holes. You can check it by basically wiping it with some tissue, and that would be most of the things that can cause this problem. And as I mentioned, if nothing like this helps, then call the technician. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.